What's good, y'all? So today I got two new products for you guys today. I have a VAVA dual dash cam and a connector piece for the dash cam. So with this piece, typically a normal dash cam, you would just hook up to your cigarette lighter, hook everything up, and then wrap the wires around to hide it, and then you call it that. Well, with this one, if your mirror has the I guess like the driver safety package, where your mirror has like the auto dimming stuff, you can actually plug this into the mirror, and you don't have to worry about routing anything. The only thing you have to really worry about is tucking the wires in. So this is what it looks like. So with different outputs of the camera, they have one where it's just a 3.5mm jack, this, or if you just have a fat connector like this, there's a way where you can just connect it into the mirror. So this back piece plugs into the roof, this goes into the mirror, and then because my dash cam uses a USB port, it plugs into the bottom loop here. I want to shout out to one of my friends because he told me about this product. And the dash cam is this VAVA 2K dual camera dash cam. What's nice about this is that it has the parking sensor. It has parking mode, so basically whenever your car is parked, you don't have to worry about someone messing with your car, because if it detects any type of movement, and it's going to automatically record. It has a quad HD clarity, and it also has night vision as well. And you don't have to worry about, taking out an SD card if something happens, because you actually have an app that comes with it, so that way you can actually just straight up just grab it from your phone. It also has a built-in GPS, and it also has this weird remote that if you want to take a snapshot in a moment, you can, but I'm not going to install that. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing of it. Okay, so this is the box, and we're going to do an unboxing of it. The packaging is actually pretty nice. So first things first, you're going to get your thing full of instructions and stuff that you don't really read. Flashback to the time I did that with my side marker lights and completely screwed up the installation. So here is what the dash cam looks like. Obviously that's going to be your cabin camera, and here's the screen. You got your buttons on the top, another button that's over here, and your little connecting ports, as well as an SD slot. I imagine this is a magnet piece. And yeah, so that's pretty nice looking camera. It feels pretty heavy as well. So after that, you take out this little foam piece, and inside the box you have a bunch of different accessories. So right here it would be, if you want to stick to the dash, or stick it to the window, which is what I plan on doing. And this is what it looks like. Camera will sit up here, just like that. Stick it to the window, and there's a little place where you put the cable. And yeah, you can go ahead and route that. What's the next thing? Here's that little snapshot part I was talking about, this weird little remote they have. I don't plan on installing this. You go ahead and click it and it records or takes a picture. Don't know too much about it because I had zero interest in it. Here's a cigarette lighter port that I'm also not going to put in. And this box has a bunch of adhesives, and it looks like other cabling parts for cable management, which is pretty nice. Not a lot of products usually come with stuff like that. And cigarette lighter. And the last piece that's in the box is the cable itself. So in this cable, it actually has a built-in GPS. It's a pretty long, hefty cable, so we're gonna figure out how to route this in the roof somehow, or into the trim. This is the GPS piece. This is where you plug in the camera, and this is where we're gonna plug in that little thing in the mirror. Also, in this box comes a little trim removal piece, so that's pretty nice. So that's the entire unboxing, so we're going to go ahead and install on the car. Because first things first, we're going to go ahead and try to install this piece, which is going to sit right up here. So, right there you got a little connector pin. Go ahead and unplug that. You can see similar size. And this is going to go somewhere up there.
Motherfucking, damn, fucking.
5 minutes later. "20 minutes later.
I took out that mirror thing, and it's just this wire, and it just goes all the way through back here. Uh-huh. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. Alright.
Sometimes my genius is...
Alright, I appreciate it.
It's almost frightening.
Alright, y'all, so got a new camera right now, got a new GoPro, so hopefully this goes well. Hopefully the mic quality is better. So I would like to apologize for that previous clip, because the old camera I had was in like this metal casing and completely muffled everything, so that shit was terrible. But we finally installed the dash cam. So if you look at the window, it's pretty much right there. Removes it from this area to up here just because it was, you know, it's cleaner, tucked away, and some guy wants to mess with my car, you're not gonna be able to see the camera. So, oh shit. Sorry about that, I had to grab my keys. So that's where it sits. It's a rear camera and the front camera. And this camera, the dash cam is actually pretty decent. So obviously, you know, you got record button and all that other stuff, and I'll go ahead and show a clip of the whole thing. Guys, so as you can see, the VAVA Dashcam is actually pretty good. They claim that it records up to 2K, and if the car is off and someone decides to mess with the car in any way, the second it detects motion, it will go ahead and start recording automatically, and it was supposed to also notify you as well. So for the price of it is actually pretty decent. I like it. It does what it's supposed to do, and also the little clip thing that you put in the mirror as well is pretty decent. I didn't know you were supposed to just clip it into the back of the mirror, as you can see in the video, but it's pretty good. It makes it easy. It's a good thing I kind of did take down the little trim piece, because now I was able to tuck the wires in there. If I didn't do that, I don't know what else I would have been doing. I probably would have just been jerry-rigging it across something else. So yeah, that's pretty much the VAVA product. And they have a couple of other cameras as well. They have like a circle one that looks pretty weird. It sits on your dash. But I like this one most. It's also easy to tuck up behind the tent. So if you guys like the content, please like and subscribe. If not, please let me know in the comments so what I can do to improve. I don't really know how to do a proper product review. So if you guys have any suggestions or improvements for me to do, please let me know. And that'll be it.